Hello everyone, welcome back to Arfi tutorials. If you want to start learning cybersecurity and feel confused about where to begin, then this video is for you. Many beginners think hacking starts with advanced tools and coding, but the truth is every expert starts from the basics. In today's video, I will show you a complete beginner-friendly cybersecurity roadmap and also introduce you to one of the best platforms to learn practically, and that is TryHackMe. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing field in the world. Companies need professionals to secure networks, website, cloud system, and user data. But many beginners waste months because they do not follow a proper roadmap. They jump directly into hacking tools without understanding network, operating system, or security fundamentals. That is why today I will explain a clear step-by-step path that anyone can follow. The first stage is learning computer science basics. Before entering cybersecurity, you need to understand how computers work, learning operating systems like Windows and Linux, understand how file, user, permissions and processes work. Learn basic networking concepts such as IP address, DNS, HTTP, HTTPS, ports, routers, and firewalls. These concepts are the foundation of everything in security. A great place to start is TryHackMe. TryHackMe is a platform where you can learn cybersecurity in a fun, interactive, and browser-based environment. You do not need expensive hardware or advanced setup. You can practice directly in your browser. It provides guided rooms, labs, and learning paths for complete beginner as well as advanced learners. If you are new, start with the pre-security path on TryHackMe. This path is designed for absolute beginners. It teaches networking basics, web basics, Linux basics, and common security concepts. It helps you build confidence and give you a strong starting point. After that, move to Cybersecurity 101. This stage teaches the core fundamentals required in the industry. You will understand how attack happens, how systems are defended, and how security teams work. Once your basics are clear, the next step is choosing a career path. Cybersecurity has many opportunities. If you enjoy monitoring attack, analyzing log, and defending system, then security analyst is a great option. On TryHackMe, you can follow paths like SOC Level 1 and SOC Level 2 to learn real-world blue team skills. If you enjoy finding vulnerability and testing environment, then penetration testing may be the right path for you. You can begin with the junior penetration testing path, then move to web fundamentals, web application pen testing, and red teaming. This path teaches reconnaissance, web vulnerabilities, exploitation, privileges escalation, and reporting. If you enjoy building secure system and working with cloud platform, then security engineer is another strong career path. You can learn DevSecOps, Azure security, AWS security, and infrastructure protection. This path is perfect for people who love both development and security. TryHackMe also offers AI security path, which is a growing area in modern cybersecurity. As AI tools become more common, learning how to secure them will become a valuable skill in the future. One of the best things about TryHackMe is that learning is practical. Instead of only reading theories, you solve lab, investigate attack, hack machines, and build real skills. This practical experience helps beginner understand concept faster and prepare for real job. My advice for beginner is simple. Stay consistent, Learn one topic at a time. Practice daily, even if for only 30 minutes. Do not compare yourself with experts. Focus on progress. Cybersecurity is a journey, and every small step matters. If you are serious about starting cybersecurity, then TryHackMe is one of the best platforms to begin with. It is a beginner friendly, interactive, and structured with clear learning path that guide you from zero to advanced level. I hope this roadmap help you understand where to begin. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Arfi tutorials for more cybersecurity content, ethical hacking tutorials and career guidance. Comment below if you want a full beginner roadmap for bug bounty, networking or ethical hacking. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.